going to be my June Boxycharm unboxing. I got my box super late this month. Super late. Like, what the day? It's Friday, June 12th. So yeah, I usually get my box around the like 5th, 6th of the month. But I got it late, and we're just gonna open it and see what's going on. I haven't watched spoilers. I honestly don't watch a lot of beauty videos anymore, to be honest. I watch a lot of like reselling videos, and I have been watching like drama videos, which makes me like, ugh. Okay, so the theme for the month of June is the Oasis. I got variation 42. A lot of you guys always ask me that, and the weight of my box is oh, it doesn't say it on the shipping label anymore. It says it in the email. I don't want to pull up my email, so sorry. Okay, so the Oasis. All right, first thing is from First Aid Beauty. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. KP Bump Eraser Fast Acting Resurfacing Body Treatment contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. This hard-working scrub helps improve skin texture and smooth away bumps, roughness, and stubborn, scaly areas. This retails for $18. Okay, so maybe this would be good to use before I self-tan. Guys, I bought this self-tanner a while ago and I haven't used it yet. And I really want to because I heard good things about it. It's the Isle of Paradise self-tanning water. So yeah, maybe I'll try that, and then I'll finally try the tanning water. Okay, next we have a mascara from Lily Lashes. This is the Triple X mascara. Retails for $24. An extra lengthening, extra volume, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash, yada da da. You know, like all mascaras make the same claims, basically. I haven't done a Mascara Monday episode in a while. Ooh, I like this packaging. Doesn't look like anything too special, but I'll try it out because I love trying new mascaras. Camera, focus, focus. There we go. Cab Cosmetics, Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. No idea who they are. This is a lip liner and lip gloss in the color Charming. Has everything you need to create. Oh, $40. What the hell is Cab Cosmetics? I never heard of them before. How can they charge $40 for lip glosses? Like what? What? Never heard of them. Who are they? Does anyone know? Does anyone know? Okay. This is a friggin' thick lip gloss. Like, okay. All right, so it's a duo. I don't really wear lip liners, so I'll give the lip gloss a try. It's called Charming. This is big. This is big. Cab Gloss, it says. Never heard of them. Has a strange odor. No, I'm not gonna try it right now. Sorry, I'll swatch it. It's pretty. It's very pigmented. Next, we have something from Laura Geller. I actually met her at BeautyCon. What is the other one called? What the hell is the other one called? BeautyCon? Generation Beauty. Oh my gosh, why did I just forget the name of that? It was at one of those events. I met her and she was very nice lady. This is the Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. Retails for $24. 3 well multitasking cream to powder face palette who finishes demi match. Alright, let's check out the color. I keep hearing noises outside. Guys, we had a huge turtle in our yard today. If you want to know the details, follow my vlog channel, but I'm very convinced it was the turtle from like 2 weeks ago that tried to bite my hand off after I tried helping him cross the road. Never again am I helping a turtle cross the road. No, turtles are assholes. Anyway, don't come for me, animal lovers. So those are the colors. Last thing is a palette from Touch in Soul. This is the Fill Up Orange Eyeshadow Palette. It retails for $32. This is orange. Someone's trying to break into my room. Oh, that is orange. I have a couple of these colors. Look at that sparkly orange. Oh, It's very chunky too. Yeah, okay. Be careful like swatching that and using it because it's very chunky. I mean, it's very orange, but it's like, it's really chunky. Like I said, there's a couple of colors in here that I will use. Are these just shadows? Yes, they are just shadows. They're just different sizes. Okay. All right, so my thoughts on this box. The eyeshadow palette, you know, I'll try a couple of the colors. This I'm honestly probably just gonna give away to a friend. Lip gloss I will definitely try out. Lip liner not so much. Not a lip liner person. I'm excited to try this mascara. And what else? Oh yeah, it fell on the ground. This guy, this Bump Eraser Body Scrub, I will definitely try out. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.